Hello my YouTube friend, this is Not Mechanic Kid, and today I'm working on a 2006 Dodge Caravan. And what I'm going to be doing today, I am going to be replacing the hood latch. The hood latch does not want to close when I bring the hood down. Usually on these cars, on the 2006 Dodge Caravan, is usually the spring, this spring right here, that goes back. If you have a spring, all you have to do is replace that little spring and you're set to go. Me, like I get good deals at the junkyard, I went and I got a used one for a good price. What you're gonna need for this project is you're gonna need a 10mm socket, a long extension. I'm gonna be using a 3/8 ratchet, a screwdriver, and a marker. Let me just show you how it's not closing. As you can see, the more I try to close it, it does not close. So let's replace this hood latch and get this car going. The first thing I did was I marked the edges of the hood latch here in the outside with the marker in both sides. The reason why I did that is because when I put the next hood latch, I wanted to put it as even as possible. So now let's remove this 10mm bolt here and this one here. I'm gonna go under right here. Now we have to take it off this cable right here. And I forgot, you're also going to need a pair of pliers. Let me just show you. So we have to remove this right here, this spring. And this spring is going to go through this latch right here. Let me go get the other one and show you a little bit closer. The cable has to go through here, through this little gap here. So you have to find a way and push it down and get it out. Once you get it out of there, right here, I'm gonna show you when we get closer, there's gonna be like a little plastic. So that little plastic, you just gotta squeeze it in, push it in, and that little wire will come out. There goes the cable here, so you have to get under. And then you have this plastic that I was telling you about right here. This plastic, you're going to have to squeeze it and then push it a little bit that way. So let me see if I can take the cable out first, and then we'll work on that plastic. That's when you need the screwdriver. There you go. We got it out. See that? So now we got to get it off this plastic here. And all you have to use is, maybe we can use this and then push it in. All you have to do is squeeze them. And once you squeeze them, just push them in. So just use the screwdriver. I think it's better. Just push them in and out. And then, there it goes. Your hook latch is out. Now to put the new hook latch, make sure you put in the correct orientation. We're going to do the same thing. So we're going to take this. We're going to put it in. Remember, this plastic right here has to go right here, and the cable has to go through here. So let's put it right in through the hole. Push it in. That's in. Now we're going to take the cable, go around it, cable right in through this hole here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this part right here, push it this way, push the cable in, and we're probably going to have to use the screwdriver to get it in again, the same way we got it out. Okay. And that's it. You notice how it went in? So the plastic, the cable, push this back, throw the cable around the gap, and it's right in. So now, let's start installing it back. Remember, let's use those markers that we had to try to keep it as close as possible. I forgot to mention right quick, right here you have these metal pieces in the bottom, and the metal pieces is just to put them right here in the hook latch to hold it down. You're gonna have two. This one only has one, the other one is broken. All you're gonna do is you're gonna take the hook latch, put them on the metal pieces, put them on the metal pieces. Don't forget to line them up with the lines you had. Let's start putting the screws back in. You don't want to put them tight yet until you line it up with those lines that we created. Now what you want to do is make sure that those lines are lined up, and if you think they're lined up, you just start screwing them on tightly. Once you fit it tight, you want to go just a little bit. Let's do the same thing to this one. Okay, the movement is true. Let's see if it closes up. So here you go. Let's see if it closes up. Close. Let's see if it open up. So here you go. You've done a great job on replacing your hood latch on your 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.